Thanks Flex Seal for sponsoring this video and powering our science mission. Hi, I'm Mark from Team Dominator. At my mum's house, she has a drafty window. Let's get this fixed. You can see the gap here. I start by cleaning the surface with isopropyl alcohol. Sometimes there's lubricant left over from the manufacturing process for acrylic windows. We need to make sure this is removed. Next, I put down some painter's tape. I'm leaving a small gap between the two pieces of tape so that I can fill it with sealant. I'm using Flex Shot. Flex Shot is better than a caulking gun for this because it's pressurized. You just push the nozzle and it comes out evenly. Make sure the nozzle is cut off at a 45-degree angle. I just use my finger to tool the joint. A bit of quick cleanup and let it dry. I have some left in the can and I want to use the remainder at a later date. So I squeeze some Flex Shot out and create a blob around the nozzle and then replace the cap. This works well. I used this same can a month ago. Finally, I remove the masking tape just before the Flex Seal is completely dried to get a clean edge. If doing this indoors, please make sure you have adequate ventilation. Job done, no more cold drafts. Thank you for watching, Flex fans. Flex on.